When you work with Great Northern Laminations, you have many great resources at your fingertips to help you make the sale, including the Distributor Portal. To get started, head to laminationsonline.com and click on the Distributor Portal tab. Here, you can fill out the simple registration form, or if you have previously registered, simply log in. The portal is your go-to place to get in-depth information about key industries and the latest market trends. It houses all the resources you'll need to bring the right edge protection solutions to your customers. You can even ask one of our knowledgeable account managers a question or request a quote or sample. We have an extensive library of how to sell video resources. Here you will find product training videos, ISTA 6 performance tests, as well as industry-specific educational webinars. You can also quickly grab product brochures and sell sheets from the View Literature Resources link. But the real power comes within the Industry and Trends section. Here you can explore a wealth of knowledge in many industries where Great Northern Laminations has had proven protective packaging success. Within each industry, you'll find relevant webinars, recommended laminations product solutions, sales approach questions, and much more. And remember, in most cases, laminations products can save time and reduce the cost of packaging and shipping without compromising protection. We welcome your feedback as we are continuously updating and expanding our portal resources. Thank you and happy selling.